Hello family, we have gotten in our first package of swag for Sacred Crystals. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it on air. All right, I'm gonna rip it apart because I'm very excited to get into it. We've got a few things in here. So I'm just going to pull them out and open them up. Oh, this is cute. Really excited to see it. Oh my goodness. Wait till you see this. Oh, do what you love. Sacred Crystals. I love it. And it's got a little hoodie and it's the cropped version. So it's going to be super sexy. Love it. All right, let me see what else I've got. Next in line. Ooh, this is fun. This is different. Oh my goodness. I am loving this. This is the sports jersey sort of thing. It's got the 3/4 sleeve. Sacred Crystals. I love it. I am so blown away by how good this stuff looks. Okay, let's see what else I've got. Rip it apart. Looks small, but what is it? It's adorable. Okay, so this is an all-over print. They're all white based, but they did it with the black. And look at that cute fox. Oh my gosh, Luna, you're gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love this. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. So first things first, got to show you this one. It's kind of a small one. I've got to get one of these for myself. Oh my gosh, this is great. I love it. I love it. Yeah. This is like Christmas for me, honestly. Let me look and see what else came. And a lot of these were designed specifically at the request of my crystal caretakers in the store. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the crop sweatshirt as opposed to the crop hoodie. And it is a special design, kind of a little more goth, Sacred Crystals. But of course we have the little brand on the back, right on the neckline there. So it's a crop sweatshirt. So cute. This is going to be so freaking gorgeous on. Oh my gosh, I love it. And one more, final, last but not least. Wow. So this, I have to admit, I can't believe I opened it last by accident, but this is the one that I got for me because I live in this black hoodie that I got from this amazing coffee joint up in Chester, New York, Valkyrie Coffee, and I love it. But I want to support our business, Sacred Crystals. So I got a black hoodie, Sacred Crystals. Got little moons on there, super fun. And then the back of the hoodie, Sacred Crystals, established 2022. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so comfortable and I'm going to live in it. Okay, that's a little preview of our swag. They're print on demand. This is what they look like and they look good. I'm so happy. All right, blessings, you guys. Have a great day.